Yes, children. So we are going to do an activity for colors, isn't it? I have a few boxes here with 4 different colors. You have to identify which color is this. Which color?
Red.
Red. And this one?
Green.
Green. And how about this? Blue. And this one? Yellow. Very good. See? And also I have got a basket full of colorful balls, isn't it? Okay, sit down. Go to place position. Okay. Which color ball is this?
Red.
So you have to find out this color and take it and find out it's red. So which box you have to choose? Red. So you have to drop it in the red box. And blue. So which color box should I keep it? This one. Yes, in the blue. Which color is this? Yellow. Then which color is this? Then Williams. Which color is this? Tell me. Yellow. Which color? Yellow. Children, which color is this? Which box I should choose? Yellow box. Yes. And then green. Okay. Which color? Green. And which box should I choose? Green. Please sit down. Sit down. Yes. And which color is this? Is there any box? No. If it is no, you should put it in this one. Okay? Which color is this? Is there any box? No. If there is no box here, you should put it in the red one here. Alright? So like this, you have to sort all the balls. Okay? Will you do this? Okay. All of you stand up. 3, go. Colors, colors everywhere. I see colors everywhere. Red, green, blue and yellow are colors which I love to see. So let's sort all the colors. 1, 2, 3, go! Okay, take it. Come on. Green. Yes. Come on, Ben. Quickly. Ben, quickly.